Hello, this is Orchids and Right. Today we're going to talk about summer blooming and winter blooming Phalaenopsis. So there's two main types, which is summer blooming and winter blooming. And the main difference between those is one blooms in the winter because of a cool down, not cold, I'm telling you maybe 50 degrees or higher. And then we have summer bloom, which is right here, which stay in a warm to hot climate and never usually get a cool down. They usually stay probably maybe above 70 or higher. The more specific name for these guys are Polychilos. Summer blooming or Polychilos usually rarely get lots of flowers. They usually only have 1 to 2, maybe 3 when they're pretty young. They have thick, waxy flowers and usually come with a fragrance. On the other hand, winter blooming Phalaenopsis have lots of branching, lots of flowers, and come in many different colors, but usually lack a fragrance. This guy right here is a no ID Phalaenopsis. It is a white version from Giant and has about 44 flowers and buds. The care is ultimately the same, except the only difference is these guys do not need to cool down. They just need to stay in warm temperatures, while these ones need to get at least a 1 month cool down of at least 50 degrees to be able to get a hormone that initiates a flower spike. Another one of the main differences is usually Polychilos have lighter green leaves and sometimes usually rounder, while some winter blooming can have very dark leaves like a Schilleriana, or as in this case, the Gyhos pink girl. Polychilos grow in a little bit of a lower light situation, while winter blooming are in a sort of higher light but still no direct light. Polychilos Phalaenopsis hold on to their flower spikes. They are sequential bloomers. Their flower spikes will last up to 4 to 5 years, which is about the average, and you usually do not cut their flower spikes unless they yellow. While winter bloomers only last about a year or two before you need to cut the flower spikes off. One main thing that is similar is their growth habits. They both grow leaves and roots normally, and will last at least maybe 10 to 20 years for a single plant. Another topic I'm going to pull on to is novelty Phalaenopsis. These hybrids are usually a mix between both of those different types and usually get a mixed traits of each. You can see this one has thick, waxy flowers, but has more of them. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.